Hello Cascadians, Joel Virginella here. Wanted to bring you guys some great information today on this beautiful little Scotch. This is the Ledaig 10-year-old. This is a fantastic single malt from the Isle of Mull. Very small distillery on the Isle of Mull, and in fact the only distillery on the Isle of Mull, known as Tobermory. Now we distill two different brands out of the Tobermory distillery, of course Tobermory, but also this Ledaig 10. Now this is a Scotch that's got a beautiful 35 level ppm, so about a mid-level peated or smoking on it. Nothing too aggressive, but really great on the palate. At a 10-year, we're coming into a much younger whiskey, something that's got a lot more vibrancy still to it, and has a lot of that classic distillery characteristic. Now, being a small island as it is, we get a lot of that maritime saltiness, very much like an Islay, without kind of the medicinal tones that you would find in an Islay. This is a highly awarded whiskey. If you get a chance to pick it up, I absolutely recommend it. You won't regret it. Give it a shot while you can. Ledaig 10. Cheers.